We have another property for sale. This is 5 hectares or 50,000 square meters located in Barangay Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So same ra gihapon nig location guys. Kadtong akong giingon nga 30 hectares then 1.1. Nagtapad-tapad ra na sila diha tanan. Kadtong tagalagi nga himuon nga solar farm. Kini gid siya kay pabor. Pero man mo dayon dai mana for sale lang gihapon. 250 basta mahangyo pa ni. Tangyo ay na final na lang yun kung interested ta. If you are interested, so muna no, it's a big plot, all are flat, but there is a portion of rice field at the back of this property. Tas unahan gamay guys, unahan aning na limpyo. Just only around I think mga 1 hectare siguro ang rice field ani guys. Natay video ani sa lain nga kuan. So this is a good property also no for sale. So again, it is located in Barangay Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol, a northern part of Bohol province. So it is along concrete road or provincial road in Ubay. So dapat yun siya karsada. So again, all in all guys, it will reach around 80 hectares jud ni kung ma-consolidate yun siya tanan. Pero mana madayon ang solar farm sa Abuetes. Ani for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then wide ang iyang frontage guys sa kuan karsada. Nindot ba yun? It's ideal for a subdivision development also. Maisa ni siya. Then clean title yun. Super. Okay, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.